Hi, I'm Mark DeVink, and today we're going to be building what is definitely the largest kit that I've ever built, and I've built a lot of kits, although it's not that complicated despite having all these buttons and joysticks. The Retro Arcade Kit from Micro Center runs off the Raspberry Pi, making the build very easy. Now it's going to take you a few hours, and you might want a friend to help you move this around because it can get heavy. I built it by myself, but next time I'd probably grab a friend. Now I'm sure you don't want to watch me build this for several hours, but I've got a trick up my sleeve. Let me show you what I did.